Welcome back to English Addaa. Today, I am not here to motivate you with fake energy. I am not here to tell you that everything is perfect. I am here to tell you the truth. If your life is not changing, if your mind feels tired all the time, if you keep making goals but never finish them, then the problem is not your dreams. The problem is your habits. Yes, your life is stuck because your daily habits are slowly destroying your future. You don't need 100 new habits. You need a few powerful ones that will change how you think, how you feel, and how you act. In this video, I'm sharing the 10 habits that changed my life from the inside out. These will help you control your mind, fix your energy, and finally respect yourself. Some of these will be uncomfortable. Some will sound simple, but every single one is non-negotiable if you want to grow. Stay with me until the end. This is not just a video. This is a blueprint to fix your mind. Plus, listening to this will help improve your English listening skills as we go deep into these topics. Don't forget to subscribe to English Addaa because we help you grow your mind and your English every single day. Let's begin. Habit number 1. This is not easy to talk about, but it is the most powerful change. Control your urges. Specifically, masturbation and adult content. Let's be honest. Most people think it's normal. They laugh about it. But ask yourself, why do you feel tired after doing it? Why does your motivation disappear? Why does your brain go foggy? It's because this isn't just a physical release. It is a mental energy leak. When you consume that content, your brain releases a massive amount of dopamine, a fake reward. Your brain thinks, wow, I achieved something great, even though you did nothing. No money earned, no body trained, no dreams built. Your brain becomes lazy because it already got the reward without the work. Imagine a lion in a zoo. If you throw meat to him every day, he stops hunting. He stops fighting. He becomes weak. That is what happens to your mind. I'm not telling you what to do with your body, but if you want to be disciplined and sharp, you must control this. Stop feeding your brain fake rewards. When you stop, your energy will return in 7 days. You will walk with more strength and look people in the eye with confidence. Habit number 2, leave the house every day. There are people watching this right now who haven't left their room in days. Your room feels safe, but it is actually a comfort prison. Your mind and body are connected. When you stay inside, you tell your brain, I am hiding. Life is scary. This destroys your confidence and social skills. You need to send a different message. Even if you have nowhere to go, go outside. Feel the wind. See the sunlight. Hear real voices. There is a story of a depressed man in Japan who didn't leave his house for 2 months. One day, he saw a kid smiling through a window, and he realized the world is still out there. He put on his shoes and walked. That walk saved his life. Don't let your room become your coffin. Step outside. Remind yourself that you are alive and part of this world. Habit number 3, stop binge eating. Food is fuel, but for many, food has become a painkiller. You aren't eating because you are hungry. You are eating because you are lonely, stressed, or bored. You try to fill a hole in your heart with pizza, sugar, and chips. But the hole isn't in your stomach, it's in your soul. Binge eating gives you quick pleasure, but then comes the guilt. You feel heavy and lazy. Here is the fix. Be kind to yourself. Stop calling yourself fat or lazy. Before you eat, ask, am I hungry or am I hiding from an emotion? If you are stressed, don't eat, breathe. Drink water. Go for a walk. Stop using food to cover your pain. Start eating to live, not to hide. Habit number 4, move your body. Here is a secret. You are not depressed or lazy. You are just stagnant. You are not moving. Your body was not designed to sit in a chair for 12 hours looking at a screen. Movement isn't just about burning fat. It is about activating your brain. When you move, you release stress. When you sweat, your anxiety drops. When your feet hit the ground, you remember you are powerful. Imagine a machine that sits in a corner for years. It gets rusty. It stops working. That is your body right now. You don't need a gym. Do 20 push-ups. Jump rope. Dance in your room. Walk up the stairs. Just move. If you want to feel alive, you must act alive. Habit number 5, no sugar for 30 days. Sugar is the silent thief. It steals your energy, your focus, and your mood. When you eat sugar, you get a spike of fake energy, and then, boom, you crash. You feel sleepy and lazy. This cycle destroys your discipline. Try this challenge. Cut out processed sugar for 30 days. No soda, no candy, No sweet snacks. The first 5 days will be hard. You will have cravings. But after that, your brain fog will vanish. Your skin will clear up. Your sleep will get deeper. Your future requires energy, and sugar is stealing it from you. Take back control. Habit number 6, the cold shower. This changed my life. Most people think this is just about being cold. No, this is about mental strength. Every morning, you stand in front of that cold water. Your mind screams, no, it's cold. Don't do it. In that moment, you have a choice. Do you listen to your fear, or do you control your mind? When you step into the cold, you tell your brain, I am in charge. Not my feelings, not my comfort, me. It wakes you up. It builds willpower. It teaches you that you can handle stress. If you can face the cold water, you can face the difficult emails, the hard conversations, and the challenges of life. Habit number 7, do maths. I know, this sounds strange. Why maths? Because maths trains your brain like a gym trains your muscles. Life is full of emotional problems. We panic. We overthink. Maths forces you to be logical. It forces you to focus deeply. You cannot solve a problem if you are distracted. Spending just 15 minutes a day solving simple puzzles or calculations trains your brain to stay calm under pressure. It teaches you to look for solutions instead of crying about the problem. It builds a rational mind. Habit number 8, read 10 pages daily. When was the last time you fed your brain something good? If you feed your stomach junk food, you get sick. If you feed your brain junk content, reels, drama, gossip, your mind gets sick. Read 10 pages a day. That's it. That is 300 pages a month. That is 12 books a year. That is 12 mentors teaching you how to live, how to think, and how to succeed. Books are portals. They upgrade your software. Don't let a day go by without reading something that makes you smarter. Habit number 9, be kind to yourself. We are so hard on ourselves. We say things to ourselves that we would never say to a friend. I'm stupid. I'm a failure. I'm ugly. Stop. You cannot grow if you are always beating yourself up. You cannot become confident if your internal voice is your enemy. Being kind isn't about being lazy. It's about forgiveness. I made a mistake, but I am learning. I am not perfect, but I am trying. Plant flowers in your mind, not weeds. Be the one who saves you, not the one who hurts you. And finally, habit number 10, journaling. Where do you go when your thoughts are too loud? Journaling is the most accessible form of therapy. When you write your thoughts down, you take them out of your head and put them on paper. You stop overthinking. You gain clarity. You start to see patterns. Why are you angry? What makes you happy? Journaling teaches you self-awareness. And once you are aware, you are free. Write 1 page a day. No rules. Just your truth. Listen to me. You are not lazy. You are not broken. You are just waiting for the right system to bring you back to life. These 10 habits are that system. You don't need to do all of them perfectly tomorrow. Start with 1. Maybe the cold shower. Maybe the reading. Maybe leaving the house. But start. These habits saved my energy, healed my mind, and built the person I am today. And they can do the same for you. If this video helped you, save it. Watch it again to practice your English listening. Share it with a friend who needs to hear this. And remember to subscribe to English Addaa. We are here to build your language and your life together. This is your beginning. Start today. I'll see you in the next video.